big bag of bottles. That's a bonus. Not bad. So it just started. Crashed out earlier, so I'm kind of late now. It's about 10:30. Crashed out for a couple hours. Okay, ironing board here. Hopefully it folds up. We'll see a handle. So I could find one of these things. Push more. I'm expecting like crap like this. Lots of small little things here, so I'm kind of guessing. And this is kind of a high-end place, so you don't find too much big garbage. I've seen a treadmill, but it was like too many big bulky pieces. It's been here last time too. There's no garbage guys come out here. Okay. Oh, wow, it's heavy. Big printer. Okay. Junk. Chairs here. One chair. One chair. There's something else here. A stand or something. Been there for a long time. Okay. Office chair. Long furniture taken apart. Property, otherwise takes too much space. Like 2 chairs, I think. There's a tent or an awning or something. Okay. Got the cord. Bottle's going good. Bottle's good. So, still going good. It's not a kettle, like it weighs like about 10 pounds almost. Very, very heavy. Quite solid. Like a stainless steel. Whole bag. That's awesome. Probably $10. Sounds like a lot of cans. That's not bad. That's why when I see a bag, I'll kick it. Just because I think, you know, sometimes people put stuff in bags and because they know that people are going through the bins and grabbing it, so they figure just. But I'm seeing people that actually pull stuff out and leave it all over the street here. But come on, you know, people are so stupid, right? You can see it's, you know, it was rifled through and it's all over the ground, right? And that's animals too, but hard to say. So far we're pretty good actually, not bad. Nice to get out, right? I had a little bit of rest. Loaded my video last night. Like I say, my video's just, I got home way too late. And what I did is I actually did my video, loaded it, and when I woke up, I submitted it. Okay, let's see what I'll take a quick look here. Hold on. Okay, I got a stool. It's almost the last stool I had from here. Well, they all kind of look the same, hard to say. Hard to say. Bottles aren't too bad. They're out there, but not a lot. This is stainless. Okay. That's the best of it. Guess better not picking up, I guess. So, like I say, that's why I don't bring the van here. There's really nothing big. You know, that exercise thing, like, it's no big deal. It was just had too many arms hanging off it and stuff. So basically, like I say, you know, there's not a lot of big stuff out here. It's always small. Okay. A big tire here. Huge tire, wow. Big tire. Okay, so pickings are slimmer, but you do find an odd little one here and there. Lots of wine bottles and milk jugs. I guess stuff people can't carry. It's too heavy, but I seen one old lady today. Very old lady. That was it. Okay. It says community pantry. No boxes. Oh, it's empty. Rotten banana. Kind of cool. It's all empty. I'm totally stuffed, man. I can't believe it. I'm working out the side windows now. Everything's stuffed. It's all stuffed. Well, get in there on that side. But I hit one alley that was just so good. It was just wine bottles after wine bottles, and I remember that from last time, 2 weeks ago. So there were constant flow of wine bottles in that block. Okay, air compressor here. I'm not sure. It was kind of covered up, like under this chair, but no room. Oh, it's probably broken down. No real room. It's a problem. It's too muddy. And I just don't know if... Well, I know this development guy. Did lots of jobs for this guy before. Yeah, I just don't know if it's something someone trying to steal, or who knows. If I had my van, I would probably take it, but not with this. As soon as I moved, the water is coming out of it, it's leaking and stuff. I can't believe people leave the garage door open. Oh, jug flying down here. I feel like there's so many wine bottles here. It's like ridiculous. Look at this. It's all wine bottles. Never ending. Never ending. Never ending the wine bottles. Unbelievable. Okay, that's the way I like to find them. That's the way I like to find them. Excuse me. Well, it's been a bottle bonanza for sure. Bottle bonanza. Okay, I'm going to sign off here because there's really not much more I'm gonna film, but you can see it's jam-packed everywhere. It's really late too, so it's gonna be super quiet. It's like, what time's it? Almost 4:45. Okay guys, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.